The leaks are in and it looks like Google is finally stepping up its foldable game with the Pixel 10 Pro Fold possibly becoming the first dustproof foldable phone on the market. This could be a game changer because one of the biggest complaints about foldables has always been their vulnerability to dust and debris. According to insider reports, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to come with an IP68 rating, which means full protection against water and dust, something no foldable has offered yet. That alone makes this phone stand out from the likes of the Z Fold 7 and other competitors. The new Pixel Fold is also rumored to feature Google's next-gen Tensor G5 chip, which is built on a 3nm process and designed in-house without relying on Samsung's fabs this time. If true, this chip should bring massive improvements to battery life, performance, and thermal efficiency. But what's even more interesting is the inclusion of up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, which makes this one of the most powerful Pixel devices ever made. When it comes to the display, expect an even brighter and smoother panel than the first-gen Fold, possibly with a peak brightness of 2500 nits and a 120 Hz refresh rate on both the inner and outer screens. The camera setup is also getting some love. Early leaks suggest a triple-lens system with a new ultra-wide sensor and AI-powered image processing that brings Google's legendary computational photography to another level. Design-wise, the hinge looks slimmer and sturdier, and most notably, the crease appears to be reduced significantly, something users have long wanted in the foldable space. There's also buzz about Pixel's unique AI features being fully integrated into the Fold experience. Think real-time transcription on both screens, split-screen Google Assistant interactions, and AI-powered photo editing that works seamlessly across the Fold. On the software side, Android 15L will be optimized for multitasking with gestures, better app continuity between displays, and more customization tools, bringing it closer to what Samsung's One UI offers but with that clean Google flair. Now let's talk price. While the first Pixel Fold launched at a premium $1,799, the 10 Pro Fold could actually be priced a bit lower thanks to improvements in production and Google wanting to grab a larger piece of the foldable market. Some sources hint at a $1,599 starting price, which could seriously undercut Samsung. For those wondering about the durability, the use of Gorilla Glass armor and a new flexible display material is rumored to improve drop resistance while keeping the phone lightweight and sleek. The Pixel ecosystem is also expanding, so expect tighter integration with the Pixel Watch 3 and the upcoming Pixel Buds Pro 2. If Google nails this launch and delivers on these features, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could be the most well-rounded foldable of 2025, especially for US users who are looking for a serious Samsung alternative. Overall, with dustproofing, flagship specs, real AI innovation, and a cleaner Android experience, this phone might just be the foldable we've all been waiting for. What do you think? Would you ditch your Z Fold or iPhone for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold if these leaks turn out to be true? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we'll be covering all the official announcements as they drop.